Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Blog on InfoTek channel. Well, today is a big day. In the morning we finally got this update for full self-drive version 14, so-called, and allegedly Cybertruck supposed to be able to park on your driveway when it's in full self-drive or even inside the garage. So I will show you how it works. I will try to park on my driveway, which is kind of busy. I have two more cars parked in there. I actually want to see if Cybertruck will attempt to park front forward or back up into the parking slot. One more point to mention, I don't have markings on my driveway. I know that some Tesla owners just put white marking, like pretty much measuring the standard width of the lane where the car would fit, and that's how they tricked previous full self-drive version to park on the driveway when they physically select it. Now you can actually pre-select the parking location before you even start driving, before you start using full self-drive. Here's how it works now with the version 14 of full self-drive. What's new, you see this start self-driving button, right? And you can actually put navigate to, in my case, home, and then click on start self-driving, and it's supposed to give me option of where I want to park: curbside, driveway, or garage. So let's do full self-driving. And I do driveway. It goes kind of quick. So it's in full self-drive. Let me minimize. So it just saw another car, and it will see one more car parked on the side. All right, turned on the signal. Here's the driveway with two other cars in it. So it's pulling front forward, surprisingly. Okay, on other videos I saw it was backing up. And it's parking right next to the single family home on a driveway. And it goes in park, as you can see, and stops completely. Kinda neat. Now let me try it from a different angle, from the opposite direction, where we got many more cars and trash bins standing around driveways. So this new version of full self-drive on Cybertruck is supposed to see trash cans, boxes, bags, even tree branches that lay in front of you, so it's kind of avoiding it. Let's see how it all works with full self-drive parking again on a driveway. So what you got to do, you go navigate to put your home address, and then in start full self-drive, in start self-driving, you actually have an option to pick driveway. And then it goes. Again, it saw the cars. They are all over this street, like everywhere. And tons of trash bags, as you saw on the video. So stop sign, it stopped. All right, I'm not driving, I'm not touching anything. Full stop, it makes a turn, shows turn signal, sees all these other cars and trash bins all alongside the road. Showed right turn signal now. Here's the driveway, pretty busy, right? Again, it goes front forward. All right, it detected another car. All right, perfectly measured the width. It should fit in, and this is how it sees other cars in the driveway, and it parked. And that is it. It works pretty well. You don't need to do anything. It parks itself. You don't need to shift gears. All you've got to do now is to open the door, and off you go back inside your house. See you in the next video, guys.